Hello guys, welcome to our classroom and welcome to task number 4, client onboarding templates. So now that we've discussed the module on client onboarding, we're going to do task number 4. So like I always remind you, always read the instructions before you do your task for you to be able to create or complete the task correctly. So for this task, this is very simple. We are just going to modify these templates here that we have and put our branding and put our information. So I'm going to show you the first one, which is the job order template. So what you're going to do after you click that link, you're going to click file and then make a copy and then put your name here, like for me, Madeline Tuban. And then this is the job order. So for example, I created like that. So for you can, I already created this, so I'm just gonna shorten it. I'll just do JO. So it's a different file name and then click OK. Okay, so once you have now a copy of the file for the first one, the job order, what you have to do is to change the branding, this logo, the email, the address, and the cell phone number. That's all you have to change in this file. So let me give you an example and show you how to do it. So first, click on the logo. I hope it responds now. So it's taking its time. Okay, let's wait for it to respond. Okay, so click this logo and then right click it and then go to replace image and then upload from computer. So look for your save logo and then choose it and then click open. So there you see that it already changed the FOPSCO logo to my logo, and the magic there is that it will also be changed everywhere where the logo was used. So the next thing is you're going to edit this email, the address and the phone number. So again, it's taking some time to respond. Let's just wait for it. Okay, so it's still taking some time. Let's just click there. Probably there's a problem with Google Drive. That's why it's taking a little time to respond. But let's just wait. Okay, there. So you click this little pencil here to edit the link. So for the text, just put there your email address. And also change it here for the link. And then click apply. So it's already changed here and also on the bottom part. Now you have to change your address as well and the phone number. So once that is done, click this share button and then click get link and then copy the link and make sure that it's not restricted and that anyone with the link can access it so that your trainer will be able to check your work and then click done. Okay, so once you got the link, you are going to put it in a slide. So for example, here I already pasted the link. This is the sample output that you're going to submit for your task number 4. Okay, so you have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4 links. So for these the other templates, I'm not going to make a demonstration for that anymore because they're just the same. You're just going to change the logo and then you're just going to change the um, the information, your email and your contact information. Okay, so let's close this one. Okay, and this one. So the next thing is you're going to create your client information form. So you click that. Okay, so you're just going to create a form like this. Okay, so how are you going to create a Google form? You just search for Google form, create there, and just click the first link. And you can create a Google form by clicking go to Google form there. And I have already created my client information form. But if this is your first time, you're going to create it from a blank form. So just click that and then just put the title. So for example, client information form there, and then the form description if there's any. So just put this one there, and then you're going to add your first question, or you can add a title, this company profile. So just click this one, or you can delete this one first and then click here, add title. So the title is company profile there. Next, you're going to create another section which is already the question. So the question is company name. So this one is supposed to be required. So you just paste it there, company name, and then short answer, and then click this one, required, so that it will look like this. It will appear with an asterisk, which means it's required. So add again another question. So the next one is business address. Okay, so just paste that here. Oops, it's supposed to be on this one there. And then it's not a multiple choice, it's a short answer, and it is also required. Then we'll just we'll not go through each one. You can already create the other sections. These are just the same procedure. Now I'm going to show you how to create this last part here, this last one. So go back to your form, and for the question you're going to just copy this one and put your email address there. Please share it to put your email address. Um, then after you put your email address, the answer is not a short answer, it's a checkbox. So click checkbox and then just copy whatever is here. And then another option. So let's just create three. There. And then it says here it's supposed to be required also. Okay. So just click there if you're done. There, like this. So let's assume this one is already done. Okay, so next thing we're going to do is we're going to put the title of the form there. That was automatically saved to your drive. And I think we have to add some more. Let's say let's add another section. And let's say this one is, let's just name it again, a company profile. Okay, that's how you add another section there. So you now have two sections, and then you can also track here your responses, and you click this preview button here in order for you to see what it will look like. So this is how it looked like for our example, and then when you click next you will be directed to the next section, but you have to enter information first. Okay, so there, um, just click them and then next. So you have the next section. Okay, so this form is already working, so just get the link. How do you get the link to this form? So when you click the preview button, this is the link that you are going to put in your slides. So if you want to test it, just open an incognito window and paste that link, and then there, it's now a working form. Okay, so that's all that you have to create for your um, task number 4, which is the client onboarding templates. Okay, so just paste here the link to your information form. So that's how easy it is. So good luck on your task.